Your services. Pull down. Here, it failed. Press Start again. Then you go to the search bar, type CMD, and right mouse. Right mouse, run administrator, and type the phrase SFC. Scanno. Then press Enter. Now you're waiting. Wait for it to run and check. This takes about a degree. Just let it run for 2 minutes. If you get this error, you just do it like this. Is right there is no need to do. There are many other steps that lead to errors. You just have to put it like this and wait. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. It also depends on the speed of the machine. The speed at which the computer is running, fast or slow. This error is usually if I have a printer problem, I deleted one of its files from drive C. So it's got this error. If I do this now, it will restore to default. Of that a file, there it is. Now it's written. It says that the file is somewhere. In the paths you can see, it's in the drive. C, System 32. There it is. Here, I'm trying it on a Windows 11. Here. Now, I close it, and you guys go back to the closure of this service and go back to it. Pull down. You see, it's done. Now I can start it up here. You can also turn it off. It's okay, everyone.